Hello students, today in this video we are going through the exercise as well as introduction part of chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas exercise 4.3. So let's start the video. So what is a polygon? We have already discussed what is a polygon. Polygons are formed when more than two line segments are joined. That means to form a polygon, it should be more than two line segments. So examples are like triangle, then quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, we can discuss about a square, then rectangle, rhombus, all this pentagon, hexagon are there. Okay, so I have drawn a figure here of pentagon. So pentagon is also a polygon. Now sides. We will discuss about sides. So look at the figure, you will identify what are the sides. Okay, the line segment forming a polygon. So this AB is a line segment, then BC is a line segment, then again CD is a line segment, DE is a line segment, and EA is a line segment. So all these line segments when joined together, they form a polygon. These line segments are also have a name. Okay, the line segment which form a polygon are called sides. That means AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side, DE is a side, and EA is a side. Okay. Now vertex. So the meeting point of the pair of sides is called a vertex. Okay, we understood what is a side. That means AB and BC is a side. But what is the relation between AB and BC? They are meeting somewhere. Yes, AB is and BC both are meeting at the point B. Then again BC and CD are meeting at the point C. Then DC and DE are meeting at the point D. Then DE and EA are meeting at the point E. So all this point where the sides are meeting is called vertex. In plural form it is said as vertices. Okay. So A, B, C, D are vertex. Then come adjacent sides. We all came to know what is a side. But adjacent sides are what? Any two sides with a common end point. Common end point are called the adjacent sides of a polygon. Suppose AB and BC. Okay, AB and BC. They are having a common end point. What is it? B. So these two sides are adjacent sides. Then again BC and CD, they are meeting at C. That is why BC and DC are adjacent sides. Again DC and ED are meeting at point D. So both CD and DE are adjacent sides. Same way DE and EA are meeting at point E. So DE and EA are adjacent sides. Then come adjacent vertex. The endpoints of the same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. Okay. Then the endpoints of the same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertex. So here A and B, they are adjacent vertex. And A and E is also adjacent vertex. But A and D are not adjacent vertex. Okay. Same way A and B are adjacent, then B and C are adjacent, C and D are adjacent, D and E are adjacent, E and A are adjacent. But A and C are not adjacent, A and D are not adjacent. Then B and C are adjacent, B and A are adjacent, but B is not adjacent with D and E. D is adjacent with C and E, but not with A and B. Same way, E is adjacent with D and A, but not with B and C. Understood? What is adjacent vertex? Now, last one comes angles. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. So here we can see O is a common initial point. They are having two rays A and B. Yes, and they are meeting at the common initial point O. The two rays forming the angle are called arm or sides of the angle. These two, that means OA and OB, are said as arm or sides. And these two rays, when they are starting, is made of two rays starting from a common initial point. This portion, they are forming an angle. Okay, the angle can be, this angle are, it is what, 90 degree. Then this way it is, we can say 30 degree. Then a bit this way it is 45 degree. Okay, then straight one is 180 degree. More than 180 are called as reflex. So that way the angle are having different names. Hope so you have understood till here. Now we are going to start the exercise 4.3. So first question goes, name the angles in the given figure. We have to name the angles here. Okay, the four angles are, so four angles are what? This A, B, C. They are forming an angle. Yes. B, C, D. They are forming an angle. C, D, A. They are forming an angle. D, A, B. They are forming an angle. Okay. So what are the names of the different angles? ABC, BCD, CDA and DAB. Now question number 2. In the given diagram, name the point in the interior of DOE. So, interior of DOE. So, for which angle is DOE? DOE, this one. Okay. So, interior of that, inside of DOE, which point lies? This A point lies in the interior of DOE. So, here goes the answer. In the exterior of EOF. So, which one is EOF? This is EOF. Okay. So, exterior of that, outside of that angle, which point lies? C also lies. Yes. A also lies and D also lies. Then 2C, point on EOF. EOF, what are the point lies? In the, so points on angle EOF are, so you can see E is a point on the angle EOF, B is a point, O is a point and F is a point. Therefore, the points which lies on angle EOF are E, O, B, F. So this is the end of exercise 4.3. Hope so you have understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.